Hi everyone. Today I will narrate one of the stories from Akbar Birbal Tales. Akbar Birbal tales are extremely popular in India among all ages of people. Today's story is Akbar, Birbal and a parrot. One day, Mughal Emperor Akbar was gifted a beautiful talking parrot. King liked the parrot and was extremely surprised to see the parrot answering his questions. The king had made special arrangements for his parrot's safety. He also announced that anyone who ever dared to inform him about the parrot's death will be hanged. Hearing the king's announcement, the parrot's caretakers were extremely careful and took all the precautions to keep the bird safe. But one day, unfortunately, the parrot died. The caretakers were very sad and scared. The main caretaker went to Birbal and told him their plight. He said, "If we inform the king about the bird's death, then he will kill us. But if we do not tell him, then also he will get us hanged. So please save us." Birbal thought for a while. He promised the caretaker that he will handle the situation and sent the caretaker back to work. Later, he himself went to the emperor and said, "Jahapana, your parrot." Hearing the word parrot, Akbar was curious. Akbar asked, "What about parrot?" Birbal again stammered, "Your parrot is." The king asked, "Yes, Birbal, what happened to my parrot?" Birbal again said, "Your parrot." Akbar was worried about his bird and said, "I am asking you, what happened to my parrot?" Then Birbal said slowly, "Your parrot is neither eating anything nor drinking water. He is neither saying anything nor moving his wings. He is neither opening up his eyes nor." The emperor shouted, "What are you saying? Has the parrot died?" Then Birbal replied, "I did not say it. You said it." Akbar understood why Birbal had to say the parrot's death news in this way. The king did not punish the caretakers and appreciated Birbal for his way of handling the situation. All the caretakers thanked Birbal for saving their lives. This is how Birbal saved the lives of the bird caretakers as well as his own and informed the news of parrot's death to the king. Hope you loved today's story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.